What do you do, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, and I'm back again with another freaking video. So today we're gonna be installing a glueless wig. We're gonna be putting it on, we're gonna be melting it. It's a simple, easy, quick installation. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And just a quick disclaimer before we get right into this video: this video is not promoted and it is not sponsored. I'm just making this video just to share my own experience. So if you're thinking of buying something similar to this, or you're thinking of getting something from the brand, please do your own research and buy at your own discretion. And without further ado, let's get right into the freaking video. Just a PSA that this video has been recorded before, but due to technical issues, I have to re-record this video. So this is not the normal camera that I normally use to record my videos. This is a different camera, so like I messed it up trying to figure it out. So I recorded this wig installation on the same camera, or I didn't figure out the settings on time, so the video got kind of messed up. I was recording like in portrait instead of landscape, you know, just so many technical issues. So yeah, this video might not be as authentic as you want it to be, because it's kind of like a second reaction kind of thing. I'm gonna reinstall this hair, and yeah, so enough of the talking, we're just gonna get right into it. This is the hair, we're gonna get right into it. Right there, this is how it came. But yeah, right, this is how the hair came. Why does it stop there? Okay, recap. She gave me a shower comb, but yeah, and the hair itself. So we're just gonna get right into that. But yeah, this is the hair. I'm gonna put in a clip of me showing you how the lace looks. So it's gonna be in the portrait mode though. I'm just gonna put it on the side of this video. So this is literally how the wig looks. It's a 4x4. It's a 4x4. I think it's a 4x4 glueless wig. So we're just gonna install it here. And let's see. This wig, by the way, is from Nigeria. I assume the brand. Yeah, I assume so. I think it's from Nigeria, but we're just gonna brush that out. So I already have my wig cap on. By the way, I'm not gonna be gluing this wig. This is kind of like a glueless wig. So we're just gonna put it on and try to fit it properly and make sure it's looking seated nice and like blended in. So I already have my wig cap on, as you can see. I have all HD wig cap. It's just, if I could get brown, I couldn't find brown, but this is the one I currently have. It's like see-through. You just need to put your foundation, and you don't need to cut, you don't need to do the bald cap method or whatever, because I don't like bald caps. So this is the type of, let me show you the difference. This is the one. Okay, so yeah, it's also, oh, it's kind of the same. She gave me the same one. So she also gave me the invisible HD wig cap. I got this bunch. I have lots. I got this one from Shein, so if you want to get it, you could. But besides that, she also gave me the HD compared to the one we normally have, where it's like bald cap and thick, and I don't know, it's just a lot of things for me. So it's also there's an adjustable strap right inside. And yeah, like I said before, I already installed it before. I had to take it back off and remake this video, which is so sad. So the first thing I did, as you can see, one easy thing that's going to make your life easy, very easy, it's going to make your life easier, is getting a lace tint. So I always use lace tint. You're gonna get a lace tint that is your shade or closer to your shade. This is my shade of lace tint. So I applied my lace tint because I don't really like using my foundation. So lace tint, you could also use the foundation though, but like I don't like the fact that my foundation transfers to my scalp. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes, definitely.
But yeah, this lace tint, I just applied right into my hair right there. Can you see? It's like my color, my shade. So it's it's like a mousse. It's mousse right there. It's mousse. So if you need more information, I think I got this from Amazon or Shein. I think it's Amazon. I don't remember. I've had this for like 3 years. I'm gonna go find it and see. I think it's from Amazon, but like, yeah. I just applied it the mousse. I just put it right in the cap right there and blended it in. Put the wig on. Okay, so once you do that, your wig is already looking like your scalp. Your wig is already looking like your scalp. It's easier, saves you time. This is a bone straight. I don't know if I explained it. This is a bone straight. I think 24 inches. It's a 24 inches bone straight. This is what I needed. I'm gonna get my hair out of the way. This hair, I'm trying to make sure this video is not more than 10 minutes because this is supposed to be a quick install. I'm gonna move this backward to my hairline, and I'm gonna go ahead with the spray from Eben, and I'm just gonna spray. So this is where the lace starts from. See, this side is a 4x4. You can see a bit of my hair. The wig cap is underneath, so we're just gonna spray that way, and we're gonna dry it maybe a bit more, not so. Right there. I'm gonna dry on cool here, so it's looking a bit tacky. I'm gonna draw the wig closer. Okay, we're gonna brush those excess, something that would stop your hair from installing properly. Those fly out or flyaways. Right there. Honestly, this wig does not need any glue, but I'm just doing the most. So just to make sure it's glued properly, I always have a wig brush just on my wig. So I'm just gonna spray a bit in there. I'll take that, then I'll put right on the hair, right there. Okay, so while that is getting cooked, or while it's getting melted, let's use that word, we're gonna style, which is my favorite part. Can you even see the hair doesn't even need to be straight? Invest. When I say invest in good things, this is what they call investments. The hair doesn't even need to be straightened. But oh, one tip: if you get you a straight wig, if you want like how straight it is to last, minimize using like your hair straightener, the irons. Minimize it. Use a flattening iron, like the iron you use in ironing your clothes. I know people don't really use irons right lately. Maybe they're using like those steamers and stuff, which is what I use. But like, if you have an iron, use an iron so you can iron your wig down. So you lay it flat and iron it, which is what I did to this hair. It was already straightened enough, but just because there's some crims, like there's some places that are not as smooth, just to get that smooth feeling, I had to use an iron. So right now this hair literally does not need any ironing, doesn't need to be straightened. Oh my god, I love it. Can you guys see the quality? Can you see the quality? Oh god, I love it. I love it. So we're just gonna use the hot iron. I always kind of use the hot iron for the top, and yeah. So if I was to flat iron the top of my hair for the first time, I usually do it in sections. I'll put a little clip here. I usually go ahead and I put it in, so I'm just gonna show you guys. I put it in sections, like 3 sections or 2 sections, and then I flat iron this part first, and then I go up to this side and like flat iron it, so it can be flat as possible. Like I want that flat look, you know, not bumpy. But yeah, I'm liking this hair. The fact that I don't even have to do anything. I don't have to do nothing. I don't. Okay, so once that is done, oh, while that is getting melted, I always go ahead with my lace tint mousse. This is another area where we need the lace tint mousse. That's why I said save yourself some money. Stop using your foundation. Get your lace tint. So we're just gonna make sure the part is straight. Just gonna straighten that up. That looks messy straight to me. So it's still decent. I'm gonna go ahead with this mousse. Mousse saves me a lot of time. And see, I already applied, it's already on there. It already looks like my scalp, but just for the video's sake, we're gonna reapply it right there. That's even way better. Yeah, just gonna straighten that down there and here. Let's take out the band and see how it's looking. Okay, gonna those hair that are already glued down, I'm gonna take them out. Can you see how that looks like my scalp? Don't play. The last one is the mousse again. So now we're gonna use the mousse on like the front part. This is where the blending in, like blends like your skin comes in. Okay, gonna take the brush again. Oh, that's too much. Okay, let's just apply right there. So I was considering doing edges, but the fact that it's just 4x4, this is where it ends, it's gonna be weird to do edges. It's gonna look weird, so we're just gonna leave it this way and no edges. If you want like edges tutorial, you can comment down below and we're gonna make a video using a different wig. Okay, I'm just gonna show the back of this hair. This is how it looks. I like when there's like a volume to just this part, so I'm just gonna use the iron to add the volume here, something like that. You get it, you get it, you get it, right? Gonna add a bit of volume. Ooh, that's hot. Okay, this is a close-up look of how the hair is looking. Can you see how melted that is? The fact that it's a camera and it looks melted right there, so you can imagine how it will be so invisible. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that thumbs up button. Support your girl, and I'll see you in my next video.